But it's the most wonderful feeling to be a mother. And nothing in life comes easy. And a bit of hard work always makes you feel that it's all worth it, you know, at the end of it all, when you get that success. So without sounding really preachy and really boring, now I'll end this speech.
But we actually had to invite your favorite doctor on stage.
Oh, and I've spoken all this without her here. Please, doc.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our renowned gynecologist who's here with us, Dr. Kiran Gohela.
She was so wonderful, I can't tell you. During my entire pregnancy, how she took care of me. And, you know, I was so worried because, I mean, you know, I wasn't worried about the weight. I didn't care. I just wanted a baby. I didn't think of the after effects. But after delivering, I went back home with 30 kilos extra. I thought after the baby comes out, you know, you lose a bit of weight. So I called her up after 2 days. I said, Doc, the baby is out, but why isn't the weight going? The stomach is still there. So she said, it's all, you know, it takes time. You know, it'll go with time. So now she'll tell you the rest.
Thank you, Shilpa. It's wonderful being here. Especially, I think you truly deserve the Yummy Mummy Award. And Shilpa is an absolute example of Indian motherhood. Throughout her pregnancy, she listened to every bit of advice that I gave her, except, of course, the weight. But she soon knocked it off afterwards. And she is a perfect example of how you can manage your profession, your motherhood, and babyhood thereafter.
And no, yes.
You know, the most important thing, and I have to share this with everybody sitting here. I'm not just here because, I mean, bio oil may be a very new product for all the people, I mean, all Indian people out here because it's just launched in December. But I have been a bio oil fan for the last 4.5 years, and Doc is privy to that. I had told her about this oil while during my pregnancy. And she had asked me about it because it wasn't available in India. And I bought it off the counter in London while I was shopping. 4.5 years ago, I went through a very bad accident while I was entering a construction site, while I was doing up my new home. I got slashed on my foot, as you can see over there. You can't see it actually, thanks to bio oil, but I'll get to that. I got very badly slashed, and I could actually see the bone on my foot. It was that badly open. So I had to be rushed to the operation theater, and I had to get 17 stitches. And I have a hereditary, a genetic problem called a keloid problem. So any mark on my body, if I get a cut or a burn, it stays forever. So I've been hurt before. All the marks on my body have actually lightened. And I have to give credit to bio oil because I discovered this thing, and it says, you know, prevents stretch marks, fades scars. So that made me buy the bottle when I was in London. And I started applying it religiously on my foot. And I used it, even you can use it. It's a very, like a dry oil. This really sounds like I'm endorsing it, but I swear to God, I'm not lying. I won't lie. I mean, as a person, I hate doing that. So unless it's really important, you have to lie to your son. Yeah, but yeah. So I started applying this oil, and believe it or not, I can't even see the mark on my foot today. I mean, at the cost of actually looking really stupid doing this. But that cut has just gone. I had 17 stitches, and it was like this big black brown mark on my foot. And it's gone because of bio oil. So when I got pregnant, from the first day I got to know, I applied bio oil, and I mixed bio oil with olive oil like that. And I made it into a bottle, and I kept it on the stand. And I'd apply it every day. And I'd apply bio oil in the night again before I slept. And I don't have a single stretch mark. So, I mean, that is proof enough that it definitely is a class apart from what's available in the market. And it truly has some great properties. And I've used it. And the reason I'm here is because I'm a loyalist. And I love the oil. And when they asked me to come for this thing, I was more than happy to, comply because I'm not going to lie about it. So, yeah, I'm here today, and I think it's really fantastic. And most women, I think, Doc, tell me the stats. I think 90% of the women that come to you are scared of stretch marks. 99% are scared of stretch marks. That was a fear for me. But I think that was great advice given by my mom. She said, just use oil. So I started this, and, it was fantastic.
Yeah. Thank you, Shilpa. We're going to have a little panel discussion. Request Dr. Rashmi Shetty to please be seated here. And Shilpa, Dr. Kiran and Dr. Rashmi here. Having a busy schedule, how did you manage motherly duties as well as, facing the camera or working busy schedules and keeping yourself beautiful? That's a tough job. How did you do that?
I think women are conditioned to multitask. We are taught from a very young age that we have to look after the family, and it's a very middle-class thing, and I love those middle-class values that my parents have inculcated in us. But I had no idea that I was going to be an actor, so life threw up these surprises.